Hi, I'm Sharon Lynn. I'm a voice channeler and hypnotherapist. This video is a combination of my voice channeling with my higher self and the Akashic and other guides that wanted to come in and talk about some more mundane things. I have to say this, so just know that this is posted for fun, just from my own intuition. It's not written in stone or fact. There's a little bit of political things in there, so I had to use some code in talking about who I was talking about, and I'm sure it's going to be easy enough for you to figure out. Anyway, enjoy my video, and if you like my video, please hit like and subscribe to see more videos like this, and I have some other self-help videos for you too. Planet Earth is shifting quickly. The symptoms that you are having, many are having, you are getting acclimated to the new frequencies in the higher dimensions. You will feel much better in the very near future. Your physical structure will continue to increasingly repair. Others are experiencing the same healings and symptoms. It has taken you many years to injure your bodies as you have done on the earth. Some are poor choices, some are unavoidable because of the man-made poisons and toxins that have been placed upon the earth and in your foods. Soon you will be eating healthier and you will have the nutrition that God meant humans to have on the new earth. DT is losing ground, flailing like a fish out of water. He is not sure which way to go, this or that, to get back into the free-flowing water. He will not find his way back for long. The waves will push him back onto the sand, and he will continue to flail until he cannot flail any longer, and his term is dissipated. JB is gaining ground. He is assisted by many. He will promote change. He will allow the others to help guide him into a newer and better future. He will get good guidance from those around him, and things will begin to increasingly get better and better over time. Peace and harmony will be restored. DT's health is failing. His nerves are causing much upset in his gastrointestinal tract. He will hide this from the public. He will recover. I see like a gastro bleed or something. I don't know if you're not voice channeling into me, but I saw or heard something like that. So we can pray for him. There will be much bickering over the elections. The paper ballots will be mishandled purposefully from DT's side, and PR will be assisting in the confusion and also attempting to affect the computer system. He is in cahoots with DT. They have many ties together. Money has exchanged hands and they are in union, but he is just a pawn. PR. The money of DT is with PR, hidden away in the banks, but traceable. PR knows this and has this information on DT, so he will continue on the same path as he has been traveling on. He will not reprimand PR for any of his wrongdoings. We see here there will be an uprising. The people will stand up when this truth comes out. He will be forced out by the military. He will be pushed out by the military. He will run. He will try to hide, and then he will leave to visit PR. He will be deserted by his family, most of them. They do not want to go down with him. We see here this will begin to start to happen before the election, but the election will continue to go forth. There will be much shock and much aha moments for many, and some of his followers will be very upset, and some will be not believing of this, but they will be shown the proof and realize they were wrong all along, and they will be saddened for this heartbreak that they will find in this person. People will suffer no more. Things will be made better upon the earth. Global help will begin to take place around the globe, ensuring most people can have food. Those areas where people are killing others, they will dissipate and no longer be part of your earth. They will remain in the 3D earth because they do not wish to come with us. There will be no more war. There will be understanding. People will be more telepathic, not all, but some, and it will get stronger and stronger as years go by. 2021, the Earth should have finished her sojourn into the 5D along with its inhabitants. So expect this and know this. Although you do know that things do change and timelines may change also. Thank you all for coming. Thanks for listening to my video. And I just wanted to tell everyone that when it comes to the mundane 3D world, people have free will, so a lot of times things can change. They'll make a different decision. So what I see now may be different later. So nothing is ever 100% accurate. So these are just my intuition. And when it comes to the galactic, that's definitely more accurate. Okay, thank you. Talk to you soon. Bye.